Hi students, in this video we are going to draw an ellipse given conjugate diameters and included angle. The question says conjugate diameters of an ellipse are 150 mm and 100 mm respectively, and the included angle is 75 degrees. You are asked to draw an ellipse. Contained within the conjugate diameters, and to draw the major and minor axis, and to locate the foci and all those things. First of all, I will draw a parallelogram. 150 by 100 at an included angle of 75 degrees as per the question. I construct a parallelogram with sides 150 and 100 with an included angle of 75 degrees. Agreed? I draw the center lines. Agreed? Then I call this P, Q, R, S. The the rectangle parallelogram you have constructed can be represented as E, F, G, H. Now, I am going to use the oblong method, the rectangle method in this. I divide this OP into 4 equal parts and mark 1, 2, 3. I divide this also into 4 equal parts and mark 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash. Join them to R or connect them to R. Join S to 1 and extend. You get P1. S to 2 and extend. You get P2. S to 3 and extend, you get P3. Agreed? Points in the other 3 more segments can be either transferred or you can draw the same procedure there. If I transfer, draw a horizontal line through P3, take this distance and mark here. I draw a horizontal line through P2, take this distance and mark here. Do that here also, I get a point there. Come down by drawing lines parallel to this. Agreed? Come down by drawing parallel to that. Now, do that here or come from there. Now connect all these points by a smooth curve. You get an ellipse. Since I am not following correct dimensions, my ellipse may not look very good. Okay, it's okay. I make some corrections here. Okay. Now, you have drawn the ellipse in the parallelogram. Now you have to find out what? The major and minor axis. Listen carefully. I am going to find the major and minor axis. I take the distance OR in the compass and with O as center. I take the distance OR in the compass and with O as center, cut an arc. I get T and I join RT. What is this distance? This distance is OR. This distance OR, I get T. Now through O, draw a line parallel to RT. That is the minor axis CD. Agreed? A perpendicular to that through O give you the major axis AB. I repeat, O as center, OR as radius, cut an arc on the ellipse between Q and S, you get T, join RT, draw a line parallel to RT through O, that is the minor axis CD, and a perpendicular to that will give you the major axis AB. Once you get the major and minor axis, you can very easily find the foci. Now, how is the where are the focus? Take OA in your compass and C as center, draw arcs on either sides. What do you get? You get F1 and F2, correct? I repeat. Take C as center and OA as radius, cut arc on the major axis on either sides. You get the foci, F1, F2. Once you get the foci, you can draw normal and tangent at any point if you want. You know the method. You can draw a tangent to the ellipse from any point outside. You have seen the method. Okay. You can do whatever you want. That is whatever frequently come for the university examination. Okay. This method is important. This is nothing but oblong method, rectangle method, but instead of a rectangle, it is a parallelogram. Same method is adopted. You have to be very careful so that the curve has to be extremely good. Then only it will look like an ellipse because of the parallelogram effect. No, you have to draw exactly lines parallel to the sides. That sometimes become difficult for students. I hope you understand. Okay. Thank you.